Hello, Chef here. So I'm just assembling this small cake and I thought I'd share this with you. I've baked these little cakes in some ceramics. I'm going to pick the one that's a little bit better to be the top, and I'm going to level them both off. So first I'll remove the cakes right here. Okay, these look good. So this one's going to be the bottom, this one will be the top. I'm just going to first of all level them off, holding my knife very, very level, and just removing a little bit like this. Okay, nice. Piece is looking good there. Got a little bit of a paper liner there. Nice. Got some homemade strawberry preserves here. Watch the other video on the preserves. You'll check it out. Okay, good amount of preserves. Spread them around. Just like this. Okay. Then I'm going to plate this up and decorate the plate. Okay, I'm also going to follow it with this homemade strawberry sauce. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor right there. Keep cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, that's a really nice strawberry sauce, and this could be used in the cakes, pies, tarts, or fillings. Wow, it's good. You can use these vanilla beans to make your own vanilla extract. The recipe's on our site and chefdepot.com. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.